Start by breaking a corner tile to create an entry point for removing the rest. For efficient floor tile removal, use an SDS hammer drill with a demolition chisel bit and work methodically in short bursts to avoid overheating the tool. Position the chisel bevel under the tile edge, keep the tool nearly parallel to the floor, and pull the bit back gradually to pry tiles up rather than trying to gouge them out. If tiles are thin or fragile, start with a manual hammer and a mason's chisel held at a low angle to preserve the substrate and reduce dust. Tap gently to lift tiles and increase force only as needed. When you meet stubborn tiles, switch the chisel direction to attack from the tile center toward the edge, which helps fracture adhesive bonds and reduces concentrated force on one spot. For large areas, consider renting a rented floor scraper or a walk-behind tile remover to save time. These machines lift tiles quickly and reduce fatigue, but require an assistant and careful handling for safety. If the grout remains strong, score the grout lines with an oscillating tool or a grout saw first, which isolates tiles and allows them to pop up with less effort. Always protect surrounding finishes with plastic and use a HEPA vacuum and an approved dust mask to control silica dust, and wear gloves, eye protection, and knee pads. Common problems include damaging the underlayment, which happens when using too steep an angle or too much force. To avoid this, keep the chisel shallow and focus on prying rather than chiseling into the substrate. Another issue is excessive dust and silica exposure from dry demolition. Mitigate this by using wet methods where possible, a HEPA vacuum attachment, or working in short controlled bursts with frequent cleanup. A third typical problem is tool blunting or breaking when encountering metal lath or thin set reinforced with mesh. If you hit metal, stop and switch to a grinder with a metal cutting wheel or a reciprocating saw to cut through reinforcement and then resume tile removal. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners connect with local contractors and compare basic information so they can find someone who fits their project needs, timeline, and budget. We also help contractors find work and interact with potential clients, and we host a discussion community where homeowners and professionals exchange tips, ask questions, and share real project experience.